How to gift your friend Snapchat Plus subscription. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat on your device. Make sure you're logged into your Snapchat account. Then click on your profile at the top left corner of your screen. In here, click on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen, which will lead you to this page. In here, click on Snapchat Plus. Then click on Snapchat Plus Gifts. You'll find all your friends. Select the friend you want to gift it to. Then you'll find three options. Choose the one you want to gift and press on Gift Snapchat Plus. Press on OK. Then click on Add Credit or Debit Card and add your payment method. Pay it and it will be directly delivered to your friend's account. And this is how to gift your friend Snapchat Plus subscription. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.